Yeah. Type T. Yeah. Tuskegee. Yeah. Tuskegee. Let's go. Look, Tuskegee. For real, I give you all of me. But we probably gon' need your help, cause you know ain't no team. This is real, no make-believe. It's time to rebuild this dream. We gotta take the city back and give it to my kings and queens. We tired of asking, we doing it now. Shout out to everyone holding us down. If you don't like it, it don't come around. Stop at a hating, boy, don't make a sound. Keep sleeping on us when we running the town. Your ruling is over, now give us the crown. I gotta know why you riding and out, no more going in circles, no riding around, yeah. And just like Jeezy, we put on for our city. And if you trying to go against us, then we show you no pity. We don't care how long it takes, ain't no stopping us really. And if you think we slowing down, then you gotta be silly. Let's go. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 with you I always will.
What's up, everybody? So a quick update of what we have gotten done so far. We removed the old doors on the property and we replaced them with these new 6-panel doors. We have them up, got the hardware on them and everything like that, so they're good and functioning. We have another door over there, the side door. So as you can see, these are the old doors right here that we removed. Here's one of them. This was the front entry door as well. So yeah, so it was a total of 3 doors that we replaced. It was a front, side, and back door. All right, so right now I'm sanding down this door jamb because it's a little too thick and it's hindering the door from closing all the way. So what we're gonna do is just sand it down so that way the door can close all the way with these. Alright, cool. So next are the hinges. The screw pattern is slightly different, but it should be alright still.
How you want to do this?
Alright, so this one does not have the indents on it. Alright, cool. So what I'll have to do is measure from, wait, hold it up real quick. Oh, not that high. Lower it, basically to where like the normal door would be. Alright. Alright, hold it up just, oh, right there. Alright, cool. Basically, alright, I'm about to make it like a pilot hole. Oh, yeah. So the next step is I'm going to be cleaning off the walls and then taping the trims for paint, to prepare for paint. Alright, so now we start our paint process. So have a stir stick and you're going to stir the paint that's in the bucket. So that way it comes to a smooth consistency. So that way, you know, all the paint chemicals and things like that are mixed together well. So then that's when you pour it into the tray. So here we have a 5-gallon bucket of paint. So in order to pour it into our tray, what we do is untighten this cap that we have right here, which gives way to the pore area, the pore hole. Then you just move this a little closer, and then tip this over. And make sure you get it into the big part, you know, the deep part. You don't want to put too much in there at once. Once it's poured into the tray, you know, you start painting. So you take your roll. I've already been using this, so I have it in a container that keeps it moist. You can also wrap your brushes and rollers in a plastic bag and it'll keep it moist as well. But just want to keep it covered if you're planning on using it again. So what you do, take your roller, put it in this tray, and then you want to just roll it to where you can get paint on it, you know, in all of the areas consistently. So you just keep rolling it like that. And then when you take it up, you don't want paint just dripping all over the floor. Even though we're going to take this floor up, you still don't want that. You don't want to waste paint, so you just shake it a little bit to make sure it has no drips. Then you go over to your wall. Alright, so when you go to the wall to paint, you want to make sure that you're using long strokes. You don't want to just boom, like, you know, short strokes. You want to use long strokes and go over the same spot like a couple times to make sure that you have it spread on there evenly. So long strokes. We just happen to have a light switch here. We're going to take this cover off anyway, so it doesn't matter if we get paint on the actual cover part of the switch. So long strokes, boom, like that. We already taped our trim, so we can just get as close to that as we want to with no worries. And when you're painting, you want to typically go the same direction. So you don't want to like go here like this across and then go up and down. Always try to keep it the same direction that you're painting. So. And when you're running out of paint on the roll, always start pressing down harder on the wall so you can get the most amount of paint out without wasting paint. Okay, and here we have the window installed into our opening. So basically, how I was saying, we can't just screw in, you know, to the side of the wall. So what we have to do is retrofit the window.
Tuskegee, this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 you I always will.